Today I'm going to replace a shower head. It's easy and you can do it yourself. I'll show you how it's done. Hey guys, I'm Kevin K, and I'm going to replace this shower head today with a Moen N-Gauge. It is a 26100 SRN. Hopefully you can see that model number. And it's easy stuff to fix this, and I just want to show you if I can do it, anybody can do it, so that you can be a little bit handy around the house. For those of you who saw my Instagram post recently from Zayres, you'll be happy to know I got my new t-shirt this year. Those are 10 bucks. The proceeds went to Epilepsy Niagara, of course, and I thought you'd just like to know that story turned out. So I'm going to open this up and we'll see what happens. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the existing shower head. It has likely been here for years, but that's okay. I see a little bit of Teflon tape that's around here, and that makes it a little more watertight. Now, the truth of the matter, I can tell you right now, I'm not going to replace that. I'm just going to use what's there. This is a rental unit, so we're not doing a bang-up Home Depot, Mike Holmes kind of job. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my wrench. This makes it a little bit easier. It shouldn't really be easy to rip this off. You want to tighten it a little bit better than hand tight when you put the new one on. But we'll see what we got here. So get my wrench and just give it a twist, and actually it's coming off pretty easy. Rest of the way is just hand tight. Like I said, easy stuff. Okay, now I'm going to dig into my new box and pull out this new shower head. I'm excited about this because it's magnetic, which is a great feature to have. And I'll link below in the description to this exact unit in case you'd like one for yourself. Excuse me being messy about it, but I will clean up the box and the garbage when I'm done. If this is as easy as I think it is, I'm not going to pull out the instructions. I'm just going to tighten this right on. And it fits right where the old one was. They're all standard, almost all of them. So I've got it about as hand tight as it's going to go. But this is plastic and not metal like the other one was. So I'm not going to squeeze too hard with my wrench while I tighten it. But I am going to make sure that it's tight enough that I'm happy with it. I'll check it for a leak afterwards. Just adjusting the mount so that I can hang the flexible part of the cable the right way. And of course, I'm anxious to see if the magnet's going to work as easily as I think it does. Look at that. Unbelievable. So let's get this tightened on. I got a washer here, or two washers. I'm not going to put tape, but I am going to put the washers on. And if I run into trouble, then I'll get tape and put it on, but it should be okay. And the first washer, I just put inside like this, and this is going to screw right on. I don't think it matters which side of this flexible cable I've got. And this should be hand tight as enough. I'm not going to scratch it to pieces with my wrench. It's not meant for that. The other side, got my washer in hand. Back into the side there. And this is also just going to screw on very, very easily. And hang it up. I don't have any other plastic around it, so I'm going to get out of the way now. And I will give it a try, and hopefully we're good to go. Look at that, easy as pie. Easier than pie. Maybe I'll bake one of those one day too to show you how easy that is. And at a first look, I don't see it leaking anywhere. And I've got my adjustments here. These are so convenient. That's it. So, thanks for watching the video. I hope you'll join me again. If you liked it, please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and if it's your first time here, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss my next video. And if you or someone you know can benefit from a video like this, get in touch with me. My email is dj@kevink.com. See you next time.